Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos.
Third Desert is located in B. Gilgit, D. Punjab, C. KPK, A. Sindh. Answer is D. Punjab. The founder of All India Muslim League, Nawab Salimullah Khan, belonged to B. Karachi, C. Dhaka, D. Delhi, A. Madras. Answer is C. Dhaka. Who is the first Punjab poet? A. Baba Farid, B. Shah Hussain, C. Bulle Shah, D. None of them. Answer is A. Baba Farid. Who was the hero of Pak India 1965 war? A. Major Raja Aziz Bhatti, B. Major Tufail, C. Lalik Jan, D. Mullah Fakir. Answer is A. Major Raja Aziz Bhatti. The name of poet whose collection of poetry is called Shahjo Risalu. A. Khushal Khan Khattak, B. Waris Shah, C. Makhdoom Muhammad Hashim, D. Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai. Answer is D. Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai. Which is the first book of Pashto language? A. Pata Khazana, B. Tazkaratul Oliya, C. Jat Kartur, D. Afsaril Sanadid. Answer is A. Pata Khazana. Urdu is a word of Turkish language. It means A. With, B. Arm, C. Army, D. Literature. Answer is C. Army. Who wrote Mauj Kausar? A. Amir Khusro, B. Sheikh Muhammad Ikram, C. Mir Taqi Mir, D. Khwaja Mir Dard. Answer is B. Sheikh Muhammad Ikram. Name the language in which the Holy Quran was translated for the first time in India. A. Punjabi, B. Persian, C. Sindhi, D. Balochi. Answer is B. Persian. Madre Millat Fatima Jinnah died in the year A. 1940, B. 1950, C. 1967, D. 1970. Answer is C. 1967. Ahmad Shah Petrus Bukhari was a famous writer of dash language. A. English, B. Hindi, C. Urdu, D. Punjabi. Answer is B. Hindi. Who is the first Asian American to feature on US currency? A. Anna Mae Wong, B. Elizabeth Sung, C. Jadin Wong, D. Vera Wong. Answer is A. Anna Mae Wong. The Amazon Fund is maintained by which financial institution? A. World Bank, B. IMF, C. New Development Bank, D. Brazilian Development Bank. Answer is D. Brazilian Development Bank. Gateway to the Underworld is an artifact belonging to which country? A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Mexico, D. USA. Answer is C. Mexico. Grasslands found in Africa are called A. Prairies, B. Steppes, C. Savanna, D. Pampas. Answer is C. Savanna. What is the underwater mountain system formed by plate tectonic spreading called? B. Oceanic Trench, C. Continental Slope, B. Abyssal Plains, A. Mid-Ocean Ridge. Answer is A. Mid-Oceanic Ridge. Which is the southernmost active volcano on Earth? A. Mount Dukono, B. Mount Rainier, C. Mount Semeru, D. Mount Erebus. Answer is D. Mount Erebus. Which forests act as barriers against cyclones? A. Alpine forests, B. Mangrove forests, C. Evergreen forests, D. Monsoon forests. Answer is B. Mangrove forests. Which country is the largest procedure of desalinated seawater? A. Kuwait, B. Iran, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Iraq. Answer is C. Saudi Arabia. Continent which has no active volcanic region is A. North America, B. Europe, C. Australia, D. Africa. Answer is C. Australia. Autobiography Daughter of Destiny is written by A. Benazir Bhutto, B. Mumtaz Bhutto, C. Wahid Rahman, D. Slum Mamun. Answer is A. Benazir Bhutto.
Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.